other things that they could do at that point. Let me ask, if someone, because the reason I'm going down this line of questioning is, we have heard from a lot of people, and I bet you your offices, most of our offices have as well. Senator Hatch mentioned this, that a lot of people do not believe that this is constitutional, that this is not in the enumerated powers of the U.S. government to mandate purchase of health insurance or penalize somebody. We've allowed exceptions for religious and various other reasons, you know, but some people hold the Constitution pretty high in their lives, and if they believe that this thing is unconstitutional, and they then say, I choose not to have health insurance, I'm not going to buy it, we could be subjecting those very people who conscientiously, because they believe in the U.S. Constitution, we could be subjecting them to fines or the interpretation of a judge, potentially all the way up even to imprisonment. That seems to me to be a problem. I understand the idea of this shared responsibility, and the insurance companies, they want everybody to have this mandate. That's how they say they can get rid of pre-existing conditions. I understand all of that. But there are a lot of Americans who hold that Constitution of the United States very dearly. And if you look at the enumerated powers, I have trouble understanding how we're mandating the purchase of health insurance, other than the broad interpretation of the General Welfare Clause, which, by the way, Madison, who wrote the Constitution, certainly, according to the Federalist Papers, number 10, certainly did not envision that. As a matter of fact, he was a huge critic of the general expansion of the General Welfare Clause. So I would think that we should take this thing very, very seriously and consider what we are doing to the American people who are going to be protesting. Some people may even do this just out of conscience, drop their health insurance, and then want to take this thing on. Because there is an outrage amongst the American people over this.